Hi, welcome back. Another important topic. So, you can help yourself. Don't miss getting joining bonus in SAP or S4 HANA, any software offers for that matter. When you get a job like this, you can see the my frame, you will have a mixed kind of emotions, right? Okay. Once you get offers, okay, really good, right? After doing a lot of hard work for SAP, if you get a job, okay. So how to control your emotions, a lot of happiness coming within after getting a success. But one of my student asked, can companies pay joining bonus, or can we ask? Today we are going to discuss actually. I'm telling you, this is the truth. Out of my experience, first 8.5 years, more than 8.5 years. That means in first two companies, I don't know in the sense I know joining bonus will be there. I didn't get any joining bonus in my first company and second company. There is no thumb rule like you cannot take joining bonus in your first offer. Okay. Whatever happens, it happens. You take your joining bonus. Now the question is, can I ask? Definitely you can ask if they can try. Generally, what happens? I will tell you the parameters. In which cases they will offer the joining bonuses. One is based on your skill. For example, skill and experience. For example, you are having more than 6 years or 7 years or 8 years or 5 years or worth of experience. Certain case, they have a rule. They wanted to pick your profile at any cost on your good experience and good exposure. They can nominally give the joining bonus. Okay. If company offers, which companies offers, I will explain you. Second, joining bonus, they will call it as a sign-on bonus. Okay. Generally, they will pay you your first month salary. Okay. Certain companies, quarter to quarter, they will pay. Certain companies every 6 months, they will divide whatever the amount they offered you. Okay. And third is like this joining bonus, who can get? Anyone can get it. But what are the conditions? As I told that, see your skills and experience, one thing. Okay. That you are not going to decide. That is decided by your interview panel and your company policy. Second is like, suppose you are in job trials. You got some three offers. You are in 3 months notice period or 1 month notice period, or else you don't have notice period, but it is a notice period. If you would like to join as quick as possible, within a week or within a 2 days, depends on the duration, how soon to retain the talent, they will offer a joining bonus. That is one thing. Okay. So you got a skills, you got a experience, you got, less notice period. The time is so, like this, the emotions which I'm showing you, always in a happiness mode. Maybe certainly, God wanted to put you some additional, money for you. So why joining bonus is so important certain times. If they offer, it is important. Why it is important? Like, for example, generally it starts from 10K. Even you think that it is 10K, 10,000 to, so it will be go up to 4 to 5 lakhs. It depends. That we cannot, that is not in our hands. Even if you ask also, certain times, they don't give. If you ask 4 lakhs also, you will lose your offer. Don't do these kind of things. Like, if you have a policy, you just check after in your HR interview, do I have any chance to get joining bonus? On 3 months notice period or 1 month notice period, or you made joining, they will say, yeah, friend. Certain times what happens when you are close to the offer, okay? Your 3 months is finished. So suppose if you don't want to join at last moment, certain times also they will offer the joining bonus. Okay. Now question, who can ask? Anyone can ask. You can ask in your first job. Okay. So I got in my third job joining bonus. I didn't ask. Even I don't know that. I'm very, bad at bargaining package. Always worried about skills, projects, and all this. But let's see. That also might give that strength to, demand in the market. Of course. Okay. I'm a survivor. I'm not, I'm performer. I used to be performer. I'm survivor now in the market. That's okay. On my 10 plus, that's okay. Okay, we'll discuss that when the time arrives about me and how I started my career and and so forth. What are the difficulties I have faced? Everything I will share. You need not be like me, but might be like me. Somewhere it might be helpful to you. This is all about joining bonus. How much you got it? Don't ask me. I don't tell. I will tell in my cover story, probably. Okay. So you can ask joining bonus. These are the three regions: skills, experience, when you are near to notice period, or else certain time. If it is special skill, then to retain the talent, they will definitely offer the joining bonus. Enjoy your success. Enjoy your time in corporate. Okay. Imagine everything is possible. Okay. I made it then. I feel that everyone can able to do that. I just wanted to help people. That is the reason why I'm here. Okay. If you are from any sort of background, please get into my YouTube channel. This is the place where I can able to help you out. Okay. By my suggestions, irrespective of any module. If you are particularly looking for SAP SD, this is the right forum. You can get into that, and your corporate related stuff also I'll do that. Okay. This is my Udemy forum. This is the place where I have contributed my wholehearted efforts. Somewhere mixed emotions because it is 100 hours. Okay. So if you would like to see the future sales and distribution, you can try this course. And if you are not yet introduced from 2023 onwards, I'm telling you, better get into this exposure for S4 HANA. You can try these courses I have given. And if you have doubts in pricing, this is the best place. I have more than 1,000 plus students for SAP SD pricing. And irrespective of any module, if you'd like to contribute yourself best in the market for functional spec writing, this is the place where SDMM, PP, FI, any module, you can try this course. And apart from that, this is advanced level pricing S4 HANA. This is one of my rocking course currently now. You can see the standard exposure with on SAP screens. Of course, there is no much difference between SD and S4 HANA, but I have given I hide it at advanced level here. ECC plus S4 HANA both will be covered for pricing, and apart from your rebates, you can try this. And if you'd like to have a quick introduction to FSCM, what is financial supply chain management? Okay, probably your new S4 HANA project will offer that you can able to try that. And most important thing, you try to get into these two courses. If you are SD or MM, better SD guys go through this course for basics LE, and this is for your, what I would say, idoc training. It is very, very important. I have explained 5 scenarios. All the stuff not available when I was trying for jobs. Let's try to utilize this an opportunity. Okay. So I have total 19 courses. I'm just providing these links below of this video. You can utilize this opportunity to enhance your skill. Okay. Anyhow, thank you. I wish you all the best. Have a great time ahead. If you're already in the job, if you're already in job trials, don't forget, check once or twice to get joining bonus. Certain times, if you get 50K or 2 lakh rupees, 50K means one iPhone 13 you can buy with your new job. Okay, now it is trending on current price in Flipkart and Amazon. Or else, if you want, if you get more joining bonus, you can buy one bullet, or else you can give advance to one car and you can enjoy your life. Tons of blessing from my side. Wish you all the best. Wish you a great career ahead. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening. Please forward my videos. I'm putting a lot of efforts to forward, give this knowledge, corporate knowledge, as well as my SD skills. Wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. All the best.